boys and girls, and welcome to Go to Guitar. So we have another song from Mr. Khaled, and it's featuring Justin Timberlake, and this one is called Just Be. So very easy, 4 different chords. Let's go. Capo set here on the 4th fret to match the sound, and we need to learn 4 chords as I told you. A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we go to this C chord here. So it's 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have G. So it's 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So the chord progression here will be the same through the whole song. So it's C, G, A minor, and E minor. So this will be through the whole song. And as I showed you in the intro, we have this strumming pattern, very easy. The only part is there to have the right rhythm here. So you will do 1 downstroke and 1 clap, 1 downstroke and 1 clap. So that's it for each chord. So but if you think this as a pair of chords, so it will change a little bit. Yeah, it will be a little bit irregular there. So it will be C, clap, C, clap, G, clap, G, clap, A minor, clap, A minor, clap, E minor, clap, E minor, clap. So you see the switch here from the chords comes pretty fast. So So that will be the tempo and rhythm. And then we have this little melody going on, and it's based on the different chords here. So I'm gonna show you for each chord how to play this melody. So if we start from the C there, you just pluck those strings, so you don't play this last E down here. So like this, and then 1 clap there. So that's the part for C. That is this plucking here, all these strings from from A to B, and then you clap there, and you play open E, 1st B, and 3rd B, and then you play. There is a string here, which is based on the G here, and it's a 3rd on the E. So right after the 3rd on B, there comes this clap, and the 3rd on E. So if we build this together, it will be clap, clap, clap. So one more time, C with this emphasized here on the B string, 1st fret, and then clap, open E, first B, third B, third E, clap, third E, clap. And then we move on to the A minor. You pluck this as you pluck the C chord, all strings from A to B. So you emphasize this first fret B string again, and you clap there, and then first B, third B, open B, open E, clap, third E, clap. So if I play this slowly for you, you're gonna see how it's played and how it sounds, and you can follow. So if we speed up to standard tempo, it will sound like this. And that, guys, pretty much covers this song. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a comment and be a subscriber, even better. And yeah, don't forget to play tuned.